Hello, as you can tell by the change of scenery, I'm home! Because Emily, my darling, you are here with me. This vlog is for Becca. Hello, Becca. Now I also get a chance to read a bunch of books, which is great. Look at all the books! I have Karsten to thank for this one. Thanks, Karsten. I also get to watch and play these. This is like super cool. Thank you, Colton. It's beautiful. But I think the best part by far of being at home is the food. Look what I found. Yay! It's a good life. I've had a great spring break so far. I saw the kids after school this morning. It was great. Bright and early, full breakfast, ready for the full day ahead of me, and then I went back to sleep. But I did wake up in time to pick up my siblings with slushies, courtesy of yours truly. They like being picked up by me. It must be my charming personality. Hudson and I hung out today because he had a half day at school. The mysterious, Doctor Who viewer was actually him. So we watched a lot of Doctor Who. 9 is so good! I also learned more about Super Smash Bros. Than I thought possible. Also playing more of Super Smash Bros. I'm going to see Emmy in her show tonight. Oh, it's going to be so good. So good. So it's been good. It's great. I hang out with my siblings and stuff. I missed your face though. Colton also messaged me saying that they cast 4. Surprise! It's Mr. Pamuk. Mr. Pamuk. He's gonna be 4 in Divergent. Go Pamukians. Is that a thing? I'm gonna make it a thing. We also showed Reichenbach to Emily today. Bad idea. I left about when they were on the rooftop scene. A couple minutes later, I heard footsteps coming up to my room. I realized she probably needed some comfort. I do not see Emily. I see this blanketed, hooded figure slowly going up the stairs and sounds of tears emanating from it. She was a burrito of sadness. Probably not the best idea for someone who's opening in a show tonight. Did I mention Emily's opening in a oh my gosh. She's opening in a show. It's gonna be great. I don't know what to talk about anymore. I saw you 2 days ago. I'm just gonna sit here, eat my fruit snacks. But so far, it has indeed been brilliant. And I hope it continues to be so. I will see you. Well, when will I see you? I will see you within a week and a half.
I love you. I hope I get to see you soon. Have fun in Iowa or wherever you live.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin, land of the cheese. Have fun with your fellow cheesemen. And I'll see you soon. Bye.
Pamuk, 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 pamuk.